Hello friends, I'm back again and I have a very different idea today. As you know, the summer is coming, so I want to give you different ideas for summer party decors and that can be held in your garden. So summer is the perfect season for outdoor entertaining and a garden party is a great way to enjoy the warm weather with friends and family. To make your garden party even more special, you can incorporate some beautiful and unique decor ideas. So, here are few ideas. Number one is to create a cozy and intimate seating area using outdoor furniture, cushions, and blankets. This will encourage your guests to relax and enjoy the beautiful surrounding. You can also add some decorative elements such as lanterns or fairy lights to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Then another great idea is to use fresh flowers and greenery to decorate the party space. You can create a beautiful floral centerpiece for the dining table or use potted plants to add color and texture to the space. Consider using flowers that are in season to create a cohesive and natural look. So, you can also incorporate some fun and playful elements into your garden party decor. For example, you can hang colorful paper lanterns or create a photo booth area with fun props and backdrops. These elements will only not only add to the decor but also provide an entertainment to your guests. Then, food and drink presentation can also be a great opportunity to add some creative decor elements to your garden party. You can serve drinks in mason jars or decorate the table with colorful fruits, bowls, and trays. You can also create a beautiful dessert table with cakes, cupcakes, and other sweet treats. This will be fun for kids also because they like these kind of things. Then finally consider adding some unique touches to the party space such as DIY herb garden or a small water feature. These elements will not only add to the decor but also provide a fun activity for your guests. So, lastly, a garden party is a great way to celebrate the summer season with fans and family. By incorporating some beautiful and unique decor ideas, you can create a memorable and enjoyable experience for your guests. So, start planning your summer garden party and let your creativity flow. If you like our video, subscribe our channel and